I picked this time around this theme of expressions of joy, bliss, celebration. You see that a lot in Gurbani, so many shabas are about that. Words like Anand, Rang Tamasha, all these Vadhaiya. All the shabas also talk about the Mausam Basant. Those who are going Hamisha Basant and down early. There's also a lot about blooming. The example of the rain, and all the greenery and everything in bloom. Moli Dharat, Moli Akas. So this aspect of when one starts following this path, whether it's through Kirtan or Simran or Path, when you are in that mode, as your mind starts getting in tune, there's a sense of bloom, of joy, of positivity that is expressed in Gurbani, and you absorb it as you sing these shabas. So it's a very beautiful thing you see in so many different ways. So I just picked 2 or 3 shabas on this theme. On Anand, celebration, joy. Right? There's so many descriptions in Gurbani in so many places of everything being joy and bloom and Vadhaiya. The celebratory sense also comes in there. So this one has Anand Bhayavat Bhagyo, Graphic. We are all fortunate. We are so, it's all joy because my beloved has come into my home, into my heart.
Amen.
We will find out with this one. Celebrating because Vaheguru is coming into our heart, everything is joyous, but he says Purab Kamai, it's all his blessing and it's all a result of my own previous actions. It's what he was talking about earlier. It's his grace and it's some of my own previous action. No, the word Karam actually has both implications. Karam means grace, Karam also means my action.
Yes.
And that's probably why Guru Nanak Dev Ji picked this word. Because he has both meanings and it gets used in both ways in Gurbani in different places.
To talk about
the glory of Vaheguru and of his experience of his presence is beyond description. Vaheguru Upma Kya Hai. Sahaj all, he is the one who blesses us with this experience. Beyond words describing this.
नहीं जा
God Himself is doing it. He Himself is coming here. He is meeting us, helping us meet Him, and He's hugging us in His embrace. Then I feel that there's no place besides Him. Then I feel like He's everywhere. I'm a part of Him. The whole universe is Him. I'm just swimming in Him. This बिना नहीं जाए जियो.
मल जाए नानक सदा करते सब में रहया समाए जियो रह प्रगटे तब आए जियो रह प्रगटे तब आए जियो रह प्रगटे
So, Ruchi, I want to talk a little bit about the moments when one experiences this. It is wonderful that Babaji is talking about all this, but you know, how does one bring those moments in one's life, or how does one tell children to act and live so that those moments are experienced by them? Maybe a little bit of sharing. Like, when does one feel that? Only when one is doing Namasaman? Probably not. And of course at that
You
time.
get it.
Tell us your
There
experience.
isn't any one part of it.
Yes.
It's a holistic system.
Yeah.
And all the different parts reinforce each other. So part, when you read Gurbani, sometimes you're just reading it, understanding the words, whatever. At other times you get into it and you get this feeling of peace and joy while you're doing it. It's the state of mind. Same thing with Kirtan. Sometimes it's just music. You're going there because you have to go to somebody's house. Man, you must go. But sometimes the whole singer is singing together, you go into it and it's suddenly you are transported somewhere else, right? I'm sure all of us have experienced
Is it only
these
through?
variations. And then Simran is kind of the ultimate stage. You can get some experiences beyond, but it's still part of the same thing. And Simran doesn't. Simran, if you're repeating the word Waheguru, it's going to be just a mechanical repetition, if that's all you're doing. But if you're also doing part and Simran and Ardas, then the word Waheguru gets more and more meaning to it through all that. It's not just a word anymore, it's this whole experience of the presence of Waheguru and who He is. Gurbani is telling us that all the time. Each time we discuss it, we are hearing that, so it all adds up. It's a cumulative process of building a state of mind, and then of course ultimately it's His grace. Some days Simran will not get you anywhere, other time Waheguru Nazar Hundi and you're getting in tune, you're feeling that vibration, that presence, that joy, and sometimes you experience what Gurbani is telling you. But by telling you and explaining it everywhere, the Guru is creating in your mind this, over time, an image of what joy you're going to feel, right? And it's beyond words, but Guru is expressing it through various similes, through various examples, to create that sense of what you're going to experience.
When you do part, read Gurbani and all that, when you pray, are your thoughts more Waheguru centric or our own Guru centric? Whose images or who you think? Is it about Waheguru or also our Guru, like you, Baba Nanak, you have an image of him, Guru Arjan Dev Ji? What is your experience in that?
I think the two are very interconnected. The Guru is, God is, as Jesse was describing earlier, He's created all this universe, He's created these laws, but He Himself, and the Guru teaches you how to get there, right? But God is the Guru. God is creating all this confusion, He's creating Maya, He's creating your Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Ahankar, but He's also giving you His message through the Guru. So God is revealing Himself in various ways, through saints, through Gurus. He reveals it to them in their heart, and through them they reveal it to us, right? So it is still God. So at some level, they say, realize that there is no separation between God and Guru. Antar nahi hai hona chahiye. When you listen to Guru in the right frame of mind, you're listening to Waheguru.
The reason I was saying, because the human brain is more image driven. That's our natural tendency. You want to visualize something, and when you visualize God, that's a image. It's very rare that you come but so you immediately dwell upon the real images.
But if you start with the Guru, and if you build a love for the Guru, and the Guru tells you how He loves Waheguru,
Okay.
if you sing the Guru's shabads about love of Waheguru, and if you love the Guru, that love will come of Waheguru.
It transforms.
Because the Guru is pyare da pyara
Blends
banda.
the two
The two blend.
It's hard to think of Vaheguru himself because it's formless, everything. But the Guru is a specific voice with specific words. So he's making this intangible one more tangible by being a person there who's speaking to you through these words, whether it's the person or the book or the music, but it's still more tangible, right? The Guru in the form of the words. The Guru at one level is Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and you may have some image of him, which of course is some painting somebody did hundreds of years later, right? Because nobody has seen him.
Exactly.
So you just created the image. Or you've gone beyond that and it's the words and what he's teaching you that's become your image of Guru. Gurbani's become your image. Whatever it is, it's a process of getting through all that to the formless one, to Vaheguru.
Or the
I don't know if I'm making
message,
myself clear at all, but
but you think the message becomes the image. The message you read,
I'm
that
saying it's
is,
all related. Whatever takes you to Vaheguru, you have to start with things that your brain can handle. But if it's the Guru that you're following rather than some other writer,
yeah.
then the Guru takes you into that realm through his words, through the images, because so much of it is imagery, right? It's not just the words. When you read the word, it's creating an image in your mind. And you're creating the devotion and he's taking you to getting you in tune with Vaheguru. If you love the Guru, then his words will make you love Vaheguru, because the Guru is always talking about love of Vaheguru.
Exactly.
So
That's the
makes sense?
interface.
Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to hear because I know you experienced that, and we all experience that at different moments. And with me mostly it's never during Nitmain, because that becomes mechanical. It's mostly when there is this one line. Like I remember this one time I was coming back from the Gurdwara, and just this one line about Guru Nanak Sahib. Satguru Nanak Pragati Guru Sahib. I mean, it just that line that, oh my God, what he did. I mean, to this world, what he gave, his gifts, you know, the light of his knowledge, the light of Babaji's, you know, everything, like how to live. How big is that? And you know, it just that. And I know, again, I'm going back to your dad, you know, Papa. He would always say, कि, you know, नित्य बहुत ज़रूरी है. But अगर तुसी एक line नु पकड़ लेते हो ना, and you make that a part of your system, and you delve deeper into it, I mean, that line just grows in you and blossoms in you. And because as शब्द जो है, वाहिगुरु दा आकार है, और you know, it's सतगुर की बानी सत स्वरूप है, ए उदा स्वरूप है, ए शब्द ए जड़े अखर ने, ए वाहिगुरु दा स्वरूप ने, और ए साउंड जड़ा है, उदा साउंड मैनिफेस्टेशन है. तो वो सुनते सुनते वो छोटी सी लाइन ते that becomes that anchor, and that just explodes into joy. And I always remember him when that happens. That it may not happen during that whole thing, you know, but that one word sometimes can just explode.
Just like, you know, with me, that was this one line, to par brahm byan chitre kya gun aap bakha.
Yeah.
That line, every time when I read anything, I say, this is the way that we are praising Lord, or, you know, just that line only. To par byan, sabhi religion is cheez hondi hai, but here you are expressing it, and you get connected to it by imagining him in very immense, you know, eternal environment. When you say to kya gun aap bakha.
And
And
क्योंकि
different people may find different parts of
That's
it.
what I
One of
mean.
the things with Gurbani is it's meant for people at all different stages. And at different stages of your own life, different parts of it may suddenly
Yes.
click with you.
it reveals
Yes.
itself to you.
Yeah. So you find what you need in there, it's all in there. But at the right time, the right things start making more sense to you.
Yes.
No, but that
Why do we
Anand,
have 1430 pages, this huge body, so many different examples written by so many different individuals? Because we all have different needs. We can all find what we need in there somewhere or the other.
you know, really that Anand, that joy, क्योंकि भारी चलता है बलिहारी कुदरत वस्या, वो नेचर च बहुत मिलता है when you are close to
Because of
nature.
descriptions of nature in Gurbani, that's allegorical with the experience that you get.
Yeah.
Talk about the joy of nature, the greenery, the yaval,
And when you see
blooms.
that,
There's so much of that, and there's a lot about savan. The rain is coming down. Khub, everything is green, everything is fresh. That's that's similar to the experience of Amrit Varasre Andar. You are growing, you are all in bloom and all green inside. So these all imagery is beautiful to, you know, when the right time comes, then that starts becoming very
and
beautiful.
also to be
experience.
near, sometimes just to take a day off and be near nature. you know, that can just fill you with joy. Just that, because you know, we are so surrounded by the concrete jungle, right? And our thoughts are so like, there is no space that is left to have that anand, right? So sometimes it's nice to just get away and experience nature.
Sure.
And I remember that our recent trip to Banff, which I was actually crying because it was so beautiful. And I just kept saying, oh my God, जिन्हें खूबसूरती बनाई है. You know, that anand can come in so many different ways. And Bani, and that's why I wanted to
Guru
ask.
tells us to look at all his beautiful painting which nature is and then think of the painter.
Yeah. And you can't help doing that.
It's constantly changing.
And you cannot help doing that
Sure.
when you are in that
You talking about
land.
Jasper and Banff? No.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
beautiful.
Unbelievable places.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
But beauty is everywhere, you know, it's
In a tree.
eventually it's yeah.
Actually, I saw there a pond in Jasper, which was literally like Hemkundsa. It was literally glacier coming from the back with a little pond in front and the little icebergs floating and all.
Mm.
It really seemed like, you know, Hemkundsa. So beautiful that place.
It's just amazing. And really. And बच्चे नो कई बार छोटे बच्चे नो we be so close with grandchildren, and I just think, and that's because you know you see God in them.
Yes, so innocent.
They're
that they must
innocent.
always-
My little dog, my goodness, he makes me cry sometimes. And now, you know why? Because of the इतना प्यार है.
And
You know, उन्हें छाड़ जाओ, तो उन्हें शिकायत नहीं है.
You know, White Guru is described in Gurbani as a child in some places.
Yeah.
As a baby, because he's free of all guile. There's no calculation, no hatred, no resentment against anybody. In that sense, he's ever fresh and like a child, like a baby.
And like a dog also.
Like a dog also. He's everything you can call him what you want.
No, you
All you
know.
have to do is flip the letters around, right?
Yeah. You know, उन्हें कुछ शिकायत ही नहीं है.
Absolutely, sir.
है? उन्हें कुछ शिकायत ही नहीं है. बच्चा तो फिर भी शिकायत कर देता है. Oh,
No,
he
there's a
ran.
classical one that the Ragis often use when there's an occasion of celebration because the words correspond to it. And of course, it's talking about different kind of celebration. Lakh khushiyan paat Sadgur
Sadgur.
What happened? What's on that side?
The last one. The last one, yeah.
This is grace and it's called joy or celebration. All is grace. So beginning is that body, mind, everything is cool, fresh, beautiful. All in His word. His word. It's all in Sadhguru's charan, but it's through His grace that we actually approach to Him. Without His grace, we don't have the wisdom to follow the Guru even.
They got rallies, yes.
And
Yeah.
yes, and yes, and yes.
You know, really, everybody sings this Shabad. I'm going to state something, I don't know. But I have often these days, last few weeks or months, I've been thinking about the Shabads I want sung when I die. And this is one of the shabads. I mean, we always sing it to ask for, but imagine, I mean, you have left your body and you're going, and you want people to pray कि लाख खुशियाँ पाँच आएं सतगुरु मदद करें, because now you are leaving the body and you want to enter that realm of लाख खुशियाँ, you know, and you want people to pray for you कि that in another way, right? And we always do this, we sing these shafts, it was Kaun Hua and all that, you know, that just take you deeper into those.
And there are mantra Sheetal.
Yeah. So I have this list of shabads. I just wanted to say this.
But Jassi, that's a very important statement you just made. Typically, people, when you're living, you want that statement. What you just saying is completely the other one, which is priceless in a way.
Yeah,
कि
I
अगर
wanted
उत्थे
some-
किते,
at
उत्थे
that
ਲੱਖ
time.
ਬਾਤ ਉੱਥੇ ਛੁੱਗੀਆਂ ਮਿਲੀਆਂ
Yeah.
ਪਰ ਇਹ ਕਿ ਬਾਬੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਮਿਲੀਆਂ ਨਾ ਡੋਂਟ ਵਰੀ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਗਾਰੰਟੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਲੈ ਤੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਗਾਰੰਟੀ ਹੋਊਗੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੁਕਤੀ ਹੈ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਬਾਬੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਲੈ ਬਾਬੇ ਦੀ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲੇਗੀ
ਜੀਵਨ
then you
ਮੁਕਤ।
got ਜੀਵਨ ਮੁਕਤ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ
But those who are blessed,
those who
death is a blessing, it's a promotion to something higher. So, Keetan 16 रोज पढ़ते हैं ना राती संबत साहल लिखा मिलकर पाओ
देव
सजन
सजन।
सीसलियां जगह साहिब सो गया. This will be a moment of celebration.
Yes.
Because that's blessed me that I go and meet my beloved.
Yeah.
And Power Tel was part of the celebration they used to do.
Auspicious stuff.
It's time to celebrate because it's time to.
Even the Shabad Mera Man Roche Kur Darshan Thai at that time, you know. Mera Mandir I want now finally to.
It's, you know, these shabads, now, it's a lovely.
You were talking about Papa and some of the things he said one line I remember about him. Was this when he says, some talk about death and he said the promotion only.
Yeah, I remember that.
It's
I
a kind of
remember
promotion.
that.
Think of it as
I remember that.
So he used to say.
पर वीर जी यू नो प्रमोशन बिल्कुल ठीक है पर जड़ा मनुष्य जीवन है ना वो प्रमोशन का मतलब साधन बन गया ये करनी दी है कथनी दी नहीं है ਇੱਥੇ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ the more we practice it we will attain that ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਨਾ ਲੱਖ ਮਤਲਬ ਜਦ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਾਊਲ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੈ ਸਤਿਪੁਰਖ ਨਾਲ ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਚੱਲੀ ਹੈ ਸੋਰਸ ਉੱਥੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਹੈ ਵਿਆਖਿਆਨ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਨੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਥਨੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੱਸ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਰਸਤੇ ਵੀ ਦੱਸ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ we have to practice it
He was at that stage.
yes because ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਕੋਈ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਪਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਨੀ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ too much of ਕਰਨੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਗਿਆਨ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਗਿਆਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਰੋਤ ਕਾਫੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ
ਪਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੈ
ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ
ਔਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਔਰ ਆਸਤੇ ਆਸਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਜਦ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜਿਸ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਸਾਊਲਸ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਗਏ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਐਡਵਾਂਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸੰਗਤ ਕਰਵਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੀ ਕਲੀਨਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਕਰਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਮਰਤਾ ਨਾਲ ਐਕਸੈਪਟ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ these are the points which are taking you advance to the मतलब ਉਹ ਲੈਵਲ ਤੱਕ ਇਹ ਨਮਰਤਾ ਜਦ ਜਿਉਂ ਜਿਉਂ ਨਰਮ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਲੂ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਨਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਉਹ ਥੱਲੇ ਭਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਹੈ ਸਿਆਣੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੈ so in that sense मतलब this is a very good forum we should come listen try to implement it that's the way जब एक दिन मैं पहली बार जब दिन आया था तो उसी क्या सी गोविंद मिलन की एह तेरी बनिया क्योंकि जड़ा हरि दा टेंपल है ना दोबारा नहीं मिलना दुर्लभ है बहुत दुर्लभ है एक बार चला गया और जड़ा तुसी कहते हो क्यों कहते हो शब्द और सुरत ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸੁਰਤ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਅਸਲੀ ਜਦ ਛੁੱਟਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਬਾਣੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਕਈ ਅਵਸਥਾਵਾਂ ਦੇ ਜੇ ਅੰਤ ਸਮੇਂ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਜੋ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਬਾਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਪਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਰੈਕਟਸ ਪਕੜ ਲੈਣਾ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਜਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਨਾਲ ਪਕੜ ਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਉੱਥੇ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਪਾਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਉਹ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਦੀ ਫੋਲੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ
That only happens if you're doing it all the time.
Yes.
It becomes a part of your life only, then you can think of it.
ਟੇਕ ਆਫ ਦੈਟ ਐਂਡ ਦੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਕਲਾਸ ਦੇ ਚਾਹੇ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਅੱਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਧਣਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸੂਰਤ ਹੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਜਦ ਸਾਡਾ ਸਰੀਰ ਦੇ ਚੋਂ ਸੂਰਤ ਤੇ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਔਰ ਉਹ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਉਂਦੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਈ ਜਨਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਚ ਸਾਡੀ ਮਾਇਲ ਜਮ ਗਏ ਉਹ ਇੱਧਰ ਉੱਧਰ ਖਿਲਰੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਾਇਆ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਕਾਲ ਦਾ ਚੱਕਰ ਮਾਇਆ ਬੜਾ ਪਾਵਰਫੁਲ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਖਤਮ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਆਵੇ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਔਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਗੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ
We are all doing it together. We are
ਯੈਸ
all
ਨਹੀਂ
learning
ਪਰ
from each other.
ਬਹੁਤ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟਿਵ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿਸੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਚੰਗੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਲਾਣਾ 7 ਸੋਨੇ ਦੇ ਮੰਦਰ ਦਾਨ ਕਰਨ ਵਰਗਾ ਫਲ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਬਾਣੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਲਿਖਿਆ
ਵਿਸ਼ਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਫੜ ਲੈਂਦੇ
Yes.
ਕਰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ।
ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੰਗਤ ਦੇ ਚ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਗੁਣ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਸੱਚੇ ਮਨ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਐਸਟ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ।
You should speak next time.
No, man.
You know why?
It all contributes
You know why?
seriously.
I'll tell you why.
I think
Because
everyone
देखो, you've all heard me, Ji, you've heard me. I really think we should be hearing you. I've been telling Paul कि तुसी prepare करो. He said कि मैं करांगा. Because see, it's very illuminating what you are saying. It's your perspective, which we want to hear. You said you hang on to the crux. The crux is what is the most important thing, right? When you hang on to that, then you have everything. You have it in. So we want to hear you.
The other thing is when
ਮੈਂ
you-
ਇੱਕ ਛੋਟੀ ਜਿਹੀ
when you
ਬੇਨਤੀ
decide
ਕਰਾਂ,
to do
ਤੁਸੀਂ
that,
ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਰੱਖੋ। ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਾਲੇ ਵੀ ਅਗਲੇ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਸੈਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਣਾ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਚਲਾਓ
नहीं,
ਤੁਸੀਂ।
but the second half, Jada, please say next month या उस तो बाद. Prepare Lina did it. I learned so much from her.
ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ individual experience ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, that
Yeah,
has
it's
one
so
impact.
wonderful to. I पहली बार ही तुसी share कर रहे हो, and it's so
ਨਹੀਂ,
beautiful to be listening to you.
ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਇੱਕ ਅਵਸਥਾ ਨਾਲ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਉਹ ਅਵਸਥਾਵਾਂ ਦੇ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ। ਸਤਿਪੁਰਸ਼ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕਿ ਅਸਲੀ ਅਲਟੀਮੇਟ ਹੈਗਾ, ਸੱਚਖੰਡ ਵਸੇ ਨਿਰੰਕਾਰ।
ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਟੁਰ ਪਿਆ ਨਾ ਇਸ ਪਾਸੇ, ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਸਟੇਜ ਤੇ ਹੋਏ,
Actually.
you can still learn from.
ਲਰਨ ਫਰਮ।
बिल्कुल.
So it doesn't matter which
ਔਰ
stage
ਤੁਸੀਂ
you are at,
ਬਹੁਤ
as
ਅੱਛਾ
long as
ਜਦ
you're
ਤੁਸੀਂ
facing the right
ਕੰਸੀਡ
way.
ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਨਾ, that was a sign of, I'm going to say,
No, no, but there was no.
that's
contradiction.
wonderful. I tell you, because I come across people ਉਹ ਬੜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਚੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ, flexibility ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ, ਉਹ
I
ਕਹਿੰਦੇ
learned so much from him.
Yes.
In this
Humbleness.
instance, I wasn't saying anything
Chalo,
different. I
please.
was just focusing. I've learned so much from Vijay.
ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ
So moving along to the next part of the Shabad. When you get that one thing, you don't need anything else.
See, that cracks.
पदार्थ मिल जाए ना, सबे थोक प्राप्त है। Thok of course, you know, is wholesale, perchun is retail. So here thok is the sense of plenty. You get lots of it.
Please
जी,
bring it.
आपने एक कहा.
सबे
मैं
थोक
समझ नहीं आएगा।
सबे थोक प्राप्त है। Thok is wholesale. So you get so much of everything. It's beyond all limits.
If you get one.
जो आवे एक हाथ में।
Oh, अच्छा,
If that
अच्छा,
one thing comes
अब
into
आ
your
गया।
hand, then सारे
Fishing
थोक-
रह गया।
Yeah, एक चीज बन गई सारे थोक में।
सब कुछ आ गया।
सब कुछ
जन्म पदार्थ सफर है जो सच्चा शब्द का।
सबक।
If you get that true word,
But what is the true word all he's saying?
true word is not a human word, it's beyond that. It's naam. It's
The
Guru Shabad
vibration.
is part of it.
That
Naam
vibration.
Vibration is part of it, but it's really being in tune with that eternal vibration, that presence, the divine vibration, the essence of Vibhu is the word. In the beginning was the word was God, is what the Bible says also. So all the religions talk about either word or name in different forms. And it's kind of the essence of God, His presence.
And all the names are gun centric. Is karam centric.
This precious gift of this human life becomes fruitful.
See how beautiful. Gur ke महल with a karchit tanu jagah milti hai. That's why I wanted something like that.
So enemies will declare them that if he writes it on your destiny, celebrate. It's time to celebrate. Lakh khushiyan Padshah. Celebrate his presence. गलती वाली नजर ना आए, सबको नजर करे।
But I think one of the शब्द है इसका बात करने की अगर ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮੱਥੇ ਤੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ
That means it's got to take
So that means either you are going to be predestined
Well, pre and post, remember, time is our concept, not Vaheguru.
ठीक है,
He's beyond time.
ठीक,
So when you say pre, it means it's from the source, from the original source.
okay.
That's kind of what it means.
And
But
that-
God is beyond time, so we shouldn't get too much caught up with prophecy and this kind
I
of.
don't mean
I
pre-made.
love that.
That's the human kind of limitation of ours. We think of before and after. There is no before and after. For Vaheguru, it's all one.
No, he is, but I'm just saying when I was saying pre-meaning, before, the way I was thinking is, before we come to the earth, like, की लिखा है मालिक ने, कि ऐसे की मिलना है, तो कि कमाई किस लेके आनी है। पर बाबा ये कहते हैं कि अगर suppose कुछ नहीं पता की लिखा है, पर अगर तो लिखवाना नहीं है, तो जब जाके मत्था टेकना बाबा ये लगे, he can change and write anything that needs to be written with the blessing.
Before and after is our concept.
So in that
Then
case,
there is no
before and
before.
after.
So he can do it at any time.
So he can do it anytime. So ये की request करनी मालिक, वो लिखो जो तुम्हें ठीक लगे. Because I don't know, if मैं कुछ मांगांगा तो गलती करांगा. Because I would have something that I don't know what I'm asking, to be honest. So वो लिखो,
That's why.
वो बख्शो सबनों जो तुम्हें ठीक लग रहा है. Because उसी से चीज़ सब तो बड़ा पला है. The way I see it.
The Ardas is a dialogue with Vaheguru. It's not necessarily asking for anything.
ठीक.
Because he knows what to give. Bring mania sab kuch janda.
अभी तो कर रही है ना.
So asking him for something, we do it because we are human. That's how we interact. But God doesn't depend on our asking him to give us things. He's generous and give it anyway. So it's more a matter of talking to him is the important part, because it's part of relating to Vaheguru's Ardas. That is far more important than the idea that you ask for something and he'll give it to you. We think of it more as if we did something and we got something, a selfish thing. But prayer should not be selfish at all. It should be just talking to Vaheguru.
It's the same
Can
thing
be
when you
quite positive, yeah.
when you're saying disrespect to Babaji, when you say he. But on the other hand, जब सवेरे बैठ के पाठ करने, तुझे जो बड़ी का तो यार रब्बा आगे बैठ यार टाइम लगा, मैंने नहीं पता कितने बैठे हैं, मेरा जो बुद्धि है नाती रहती है, मैंने नहीं पता कि किस तरह बाणी लगानी है, पहला बैठने तो पहले ही नाच जाती है,
You can call him,
I just talking like this, I have no idea. अब तो यार अपनी गला मैंने क्यों मारा? हाँ जी.
You can call him anything.
You can call him anything.
I.
Yeah. And they have in the
So-
philosophy,
so-
I am that.
Yeah.
So God is everything. Those are limitations
I just
of
have a
all
problem with he
limitations.
because, it has a different connotation. And in Sikhi, the latest thing is to try and get away from the gender-related
Yeah,
concept.
she doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
Carry it up
Doesn't
with your intention
push
or
back.
something else.
No,
That's really
no.
what matters.
Gurbani often calls them my baap.
My
baap
baap.
ko.
Mata.
But a lot of other times they use he also because he's using language, and he has to speak in the way people understand.
Exactly.
Understand.
Gurdev Mata, Gurdev Pita.
Pita.
So all this dhand is created without him getting caught up in sab mithya maya.
ਪ੍ਰਭੂ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਣੀ ਬਿਰਥਾ ਜੋੜ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਤੋਂ ਬਗੈਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਭ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਵਿਆਹ ਅਤੇ ਜਦ ਸੱਚਾ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਨਦਰ ਕਰੂ ਪ੍ਰਸੰਨ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ Oh my soul, this life in human form. Fix your attention on the one true source of being, the Supreme Guru, Vaheguru. All else is entanglement with materialism and egoism. And when Vaheguru showers his grace upon you, all happiness, all contentment, all wealth will be. Safal Murat Safala Khadi, Jit Sache Naal Pyar. Safal Murat Safala Khadi, Jit Sache Naal Pyar. दुख संतापना लग गई जिस हर का नाम आधार.
So you can overcome all pain, all sorrow, everything by getting in tune with that one source of being. That moment when you do it, that's the successful moment in your life. Those are the precious moments. That's when you experience the joy when you're close to Him. You get these times when it works and you've been working on it, and then, as Jesse was asking, what are the times when you experience that? Different for different people. But that is the precious moment. Then you once you experience that, you keep wanting to go back to those times. That is what was joyful. Let me try to do that again.
रणवीर जी गुरबानी जी का आंदा है कि वाहिगुरु नु ना ओदी तारीफ अच्छी लगती है. In one of the lines it says.
But that's also a human way of expressing.
Right,
what
of
you're
course.
trying to explain.
But I was just thinking, why? He's not someone or she's not someone जिन्हें चापलूसी चाहिए है.
He likes that because that creates the environment. For us.
Exactly.
It's for our sake. that he wants us to do it, not for
Because
his
when
sake.
we dwell on that goodness, then we partake of it. So ਉਹਦੀ ਤਾਰੀਫ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਗੁਣ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਕਨ ਬਣਨਾ ਹੈ, right? So in some ways, yes, the nadar is beyond earning and beyond reason, and ਉਹਦੀ nadar ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੀ wish ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਹੈ, right? But you know, still there are ways to become, if there is such a thing, one can say deserving of it. It's only through his praise that one can become deserving of it. If such a thing is possible, you know.
It's through everything the Guru teaches us.
Yeah.
His praise,
Our actions, our actions.
Basically, it's following the Guru's path.
It's following the Guru's path.
It's point each other out and you higher and higher over time. It's like a ladder. You have to keep working on it. Sometimes you don't go in one direction, you keep slipping back.
Of course, always,
Again.
always.
But ultimately, it leads higher and higher if you keep working. 40 and a little bit.
वहाँ पकड़ी गुर का दिया
The Guru himself helps us, holds us by the hand,
सोई
holds us all the way.
उतरा पार वहाँ पकड़ी गुर सोई उतरा पार.
So धंधा सब माया था, भाई को ने आप ही बनाया. But it's also sent the Guru. Guru ने हाथ पकड़ा ना, you hold him, and he himself is going to pull us out of this also, take us beyond that. It's also part of his grace. That's why he sends the Guru. That gets back to the difference between Guru and God. It's all part of it. The Guru is basically God's way of teaching us, of giving us His message.
Yeah.
It's all part of Hukam. Hukam comes to us through a Guru. So the Guru is really God's voice. It's God doing it. He creates the Guru. It's His revelation. And that's part of His game also, is to provide the revelations also and the instructions and the answer to the puzzle that He gives us. He throws out a puzzle and He also gives little clues. And the Gurus are the clues. The Gurus are the saints and the Sangat. It's to find the clues and to solve the
The
puzzle.
Gurus are the clues and the Gurus are the answers.
Yeah, he creates the maze, and He also leaves little clues around for us to find our way through it. He's very playful. He has a sense of humor.
ਖੇਡਾਂ
सोई उतरा पार रख खुशियाँ बादशाहियाँ सतगुर नदर करे रख खुशियाँ बादशाहियाँ सतगुर नदर करे. आन सुहावा पवित्र है जिते संत सभा. आन सुहावा पवित्र है जिते संत
In a way, that's what we are going
सभा.
through, is creating a little bit of that special place.
कोई दिस ही नू मिले जिन पूरा गुरु लगा. नानक पता करता जिथे निरत न जन्म जरा. नानक पता करता जिथे निरत न जन्म जरा. Nanak has founded his house on the strength of Naam Simran, on meditation, in such a place where there is no birth, no death, and no old age. Nanak पता हर तहां जिथे निरत न जन्म करा नानक पता हर तहां जिथे निरत न जन्म करा जिथे निरत न जन्म करा
We're running pretty late, so I'm moving through this pretty quickly.
So is that Begumpura?
Yes, it's a company.
Begumpura.
Place where there's no sorrow.
No sorrow. To
Such kind of different words for the same thing.
वधाइयाँ 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 गुर सिखा मन वधाइयाँ गुर सिखा मन वधाइयाँ 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 गुर सिखा मन वधाइयाँ गुर सिखा मन गुर सिखा मन वधाइयाँ गुर सिखा जिन मेरा सतगुर डिठा राम राजे जिन में
Although this comes from being in tune with Vaheguru and the Guru, Satguru. Dittha is not just seeing him, that's a way of darshan, but
Darshan,
more
Dittha.
being in the presence and
Yes.
experiencing and listening to his words, following him. When you feel the Guru is there with you, that is really the Dittha, the way of darshan. Dittha mera Ram Raje.
मेरा सतगुर डिठा राम कोई कर गल सुनावे हर नाम की
So in the Guru's presence and he talks to you about Vaheguru, Mitya Mitya Galla Sunada. That's why his presence gives you all this joy.
कोई कर गल सुनावे हर नाम की सो लगे गुर सिखा मन मीठा
It's so true. दो प्यारे लगते हैं जब गुरु की गल करते हैं
कोई कर गल सुनावे हर नाम की कोई कर गल सुनावे हर नाम की सो लगे गुर सिखा मन मीठा सो
That's part of becoming a good Sikh, is the mitha lagan lagna. Initially, it's not very easy to get into it. And a lot of people don't even come close to it, but that's part of the progress is
And
start
you're drawn
start
to those
enjoying these
things.
things and you start appreciating it when people are talking about spiritual things, you start enjoying them, start gravitating towards them. And you're heading on the right path, you're becoming more and more of a good Sikh. Because there's always a calm crowd, low moon car that wants to draw you towards
Draw
other
you
things,
away from.
worldly things, and power, glory, your house, your belongings, all those other things. But when you're on the right path and the Guru's inspiration, then what really seems worthwhile, what you find fulfilling is when somebody is giving you some spiritual gems, some little morsels of spiritual stuff to eat, that starts tasting much better than anything else.
And even if those people are not talking, just what, the energy that their presence exudes, it's beyond words because everything is not verbal communication. उन्हें मिलके ही अच्छा लगता है,
It's time for one moment sir. Time for क्यों? क्योंकि फिर उठे होता है कि बिना देखे हुए चीज़ आ रही है, तुसी अनुभव कर रहे हो.
Yeah, it's It's all about
That's
experience.
about it. That soul has practiced it, attained that level. ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸੁੱਖ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ।
Right. And like you said, information has become cheap. It's available everywhere. It's the experience. We are moving, Aquarian age is the age of experience. The age that we're moving into.
ਇੱਕ ਥੋੜੀ ਦੇਰ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਸੀ ਬਾਕੀ ਉਹ ਸਭ ਤੰਦੇ ਆ
Ah.
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਤੋਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਜੇ ਲੱਗ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਭ ਤੰਦੇ ਵੀ ਕਰਨੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਆ, ਪਰ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਗ੍ਰਸਤੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼।
ਨਾਨਕ ਲੇਖੇ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਨਾ,
Yes.
ਨਾਨਕ ਲੇਖੇ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ
ਗੱਲ
ਹੋਰ ਮਿੱਥਿਆ
ਨਹੀਂ।
ਨਾਨਕ
ਬਾਕੀ-
ਲੇਖੇ-
एक बिना सब धन है सब मिथ्या मोह है।
ਨਹੀਂ, ਨਾਨਕ ਲੇਖੇ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਰ ਚਖਣਾ
ਚੱਕਣ
ਬਾਕੀ ਇਟਸ ਆਲ ਵਟਐਵਰ
ਐਬਸੋਲੂਟਲੀ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਅਵਸਥਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਫਿਰ ਤੇ ਚੱਕੜਾ ਸੀ ਸਰ।
And that we enjoy that.
ਸਿੱਖ ਮਨ ਮੀਠਾ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ 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 ਵਧਾਈਆਂ।
So don't take these things too seriously all the time also. It's also a live Adhikari. Should be rejoicing and celebration should be a big part of it. Not just the serious hard work. That's
Or being
part
in
of
the light, you mean?
Mhm.
Enjoy the light in the
The
light-hearted
spiritual
way.
path, you should enjoy it too. It's part of the
Yeah, it's
Okay.
fun.
enjoy it.
Saran says it's fun.
It's not just some people do. I mean, in early stages, and some of the people who get more fanatical get more into
Very serious
of
about it.
guilt and seriousness and those kind of things. And Guru says, no, take it as something positive. and
Positive.
They become the people with the rod, very intense, very punitive.
You don't focus on that side. When you celebrate
Yeah.
those are-
You don't want to do that.
ਹਰ ਦਰਗਹਿ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖ ਪਹਿਨਾਈਐ ਹਰ ਦਰਗਹਿ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖ ਪਹਿਨਾਈਐ ਦਿਲ ਮੇਰਾ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਤੁਠਾ ਜਿਨ ਮੇਰਾ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਤੁਠਾ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ 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 ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖ ਜਨ ਨਾਨਕ ਹਰ ਹਰ ਹੋਇਆ
The separation goes away.
ਜਨ ਨਾਨਕ ਹਰ ਹਰ ਹੋਇਆ ਹਰ ਹਰ ਮਨ ਉਠਾ ਹਰ ਹਰ ਮਨ ਉਠਾ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ 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 ਵਧਾਈਆਂ।
When Har Har and Vaheguru himself comes to dwell in the mind and he drives all the negativity out, all the sorrow, the hatred, anger, all the other things, when all the goodness comes in, other stuff, all the maya, dhanda, everything gets pushed out of the way. That's ultimately what you're looking for.
ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਮਨ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ 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 ਵਧਾਈਆਂ।
Let's all celebrate Sadhguru with Hari. We're all working on this thing, so it's something to celebrate.
Very nice. I couldn't leave. I still want to do it.